Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to use screen painting feature on your Android Samsung, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can start by opening up settings application on your device for that. And you can enable the feature right there. You can scroll down and look out for security and privacy, biometrics or security, or just security depending upon your device. Tap on it. And basically look out for other security settings and tap on it. And when you do there, you should be finding different options, an option called Pin Windows, Pin App, or Screen Pinning. So just go over and toggle the switch on like this, and that should probably do it. When you do so, you can pin an app to the screen to prevent the others from accessing features outside of the pinned application. So when an application is pinned, the features such as calling and messaging are blocked. And you can even look out for this option of asking for PIN before unpinning, this turn option, and turn it on, and they should usually provide up your security code that you have, and you can do so. And once you do so, what you can do is you can basically open on the application that you want to lock, and you can swipe up and hold the application to see your application, and from the pop-up menu you can select the pin this app option, and the screen is now pinned and the user can only use that one application on your device. And that is it. So that's it, everybody. Usually this is how you do it, so you can follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for tips and tutorials, and we hope this video, and give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.